Aldona MLA Ferreira has issued a stern warning to the police. He said minor mistakes may be ignored, but major lapses, wrongful arrest and failure to the act will not be tolerated.
I want to warn the police. Please make sure you buckle up and pull up your socks. Here is my playground. I will not hesitate to take you to court. If there are flaws in your system, some forgivable mistakes, I ignore them. Some minor, even misdemeanors, I will not even look at them. But when there are major situations where positively your police act in wrong direction or omit to act when necessary or put innocent people inside, I will not hesitate to crack the whip, howsoever high I need to go, whichever court I need to knock.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.